Hi guys, welcome back to another travel journal with me, or if you're new, I am travel journaling about my year in Australia, followed by a bit of moving around the world. Today I'm writing about Lancelin. We went up straight after we'd been to the pinnacles to go and do some sandboarding. Never done it before, can't say we were naturals at it. We've got a ton of footage from this day just because we were having so much fun with the GoPros and just mucking about and playing around with the boards, which we'd never done before. It was just one of my favourite days, I think, of our travels. So I'm just picking out a coloured card for the background for this one. I just wanted to do something a little bit different than just doing some matting for a photograph. But I was sort of umming and ahhing about it and didn't really know what I wanted to do with this. I think because it was getting to near the end of the book, a lot of the original ideas I'd had were starting to run out, I guess, and especially as I was using the one pack of ombre paper for the majority of the pages so that there was a theme running out throughout the travel journal. I don't know, I just sort of ran out of steam at some point, probably around this point where I was like, not sure quite what to do, and I had a couple of photos as well, but I think it all worked out fine. I liked the blue ombre because it pretty much matched the background of the sky that we had for that day because there was not a cloud in sight. It was so pretty there. It was so lovely. Windy, like crazy windy, but really, really lovely. And it's why I can't use the sound on a lot of the footage that we had while we were there because just all you can hear is wind, and at the time we didn't have a good camera mic that we have now, so we were literally it's just the sound off the GoPro, so I might show you a little clip with the sound on for it just to show you how loud it was, but for the majority, if I show you any clips from this, it'll just be with the music on. Just picking out a few stickers that I can decorate this page with. That first picture is at the top is when we arrive and we were climbing up to the top of that sand dune. I am an asthmatic and that was a real struggle for me. I think I'm doing something a little bit different today where I'm pulling out any of the stickers that I think I might use and popping it on some baking paper, so I kind of got an idea of how much I've got to work with and lay out on there, and picking out the title as well, which for this one is Lancelin because that's where we were. So just grabbing a few other things. Now that hilarious sticker was because that photo at the bottom is of Sasha laying on the floor, as we thought it would be a really good idea at the end of the day to have a rolling race down the sand dunes. Yeah. When I say it now, I just think, what were we thinking? Because it hurt a lot. But at the time, we thought it would be a great idea. And just for a little bit of a difference, I just put that title down at the right-hand side of the page. It was a page actually that came together really well. I didn't want to go too heavy on the embellishments because I felt like it would clash with the left-hand page, which was from the same day when we were out and about, and kept just a couple of little bits of those gold elements in that, a few of the stickers, just to tie it in with that left-hand page gold arrow. And yeah, the page came together really quickly and pretty easily. Hopefully you'll enjoy some of the footage of us sliding down the sand dune. So I'm just going to pop some music on and you can just see the madness. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this, or leave me a comment. I'd love to hear about any of the projects that you guys are working on. Thanks very much. Bye!
Jeans.
Woo! Totally gangster with my Picasso scarf. Ready?
Gangster. Gangster.
Are you okay?
How's your sandwich?
It's so much sun.
Where'd you have your mouth open?
I went up my nose.
Alright, could have got up your ass.
How was it?
Fun. I don't think I told my face.
We're in Australia. Oh, I'm so happy.
She's happy. And we are in Australia. What we have here is the first Shaniqua sponsored sausage roll competition of the Pinnacles.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is it going to be worth it?
Hell no.
I don't know.
3, 2, 1, go! And they're rolling into each other. That was underwhelming.
Keep going, I'll do afterwards.
This race has now turned into something else entirely. It's a you go first scenario.
So much. It's so painful. Keep going. No, it's pain. I'm so busy.
I don't really have anything to say
So dizzy.
about this. This is
Oh,
stupid. Let's see what this one's doing.
the hardest bit of sand ever. I'm gonna go on the soft bit.
Oh, she's trying again. Attempt number 2 on softer sand.
Much softer. Okay,
Here we go.
come back up.
And once again, Sheila's off on a tandem.
Oh, I feel really dizzy.
I mean, I enjoy watching people hurt themselves as much as the next man, but this is just sad.
Oh my god.
This is like watching puppies run into a glass screen door repeatedly.